Hi, welcome to Really Simulating the Supply Chain. This is the first part of the simulation series. My name is Enrique Elizaga, and you can access the course on my YouTube channel, in Supply Chain Institute channel, and also at the website. For those of you who don't know yet, simulation is a method. I'd rather call it a capacity because it synthesizes various knowledge areas from engineering, math, computer sciences, and well, it is very powerful and very useful for the analysis, the planning, the research, and also I will show you as an aid in operations for businesses in different areas like manufacturing, business processes, and today's focus, the supply chain. Simulation is to the logistician as AutoCAD is to the architect or Photoshop to the graphic designer. You get the idea. Feel comfortable, for I will certainly enhance each block with some reads. I will also use some real industry cases and other supplementary materials. Most of all, what you will hear in this channel is my humble opinion and experience. But I've been simulating for more than 15 years. So I will share it with you without any protocol, and I hope you can take advantage of it. Some say that the tool used to simulate is not very relevant. But it has certainly driven me some certain frustration or some dead-end alleys by not using the right tool. But since time is money and your time is money, the tool of choice will be Flexim. And that for all the reasons. The objective of the course is making you an expert and as quickly as possible. But it ultimately depends on you. The payback of gaining proficiency in simulation is huge, and it will surely translate in savings, better planning capacity, and hopefully better job opportunities for you. So here we will deliver to become your best source by sharing the best practices, modeling real-life wicked processes, showing you hacks, and opening the toolkit to bump up your projects to the next level. Subscribe to the channel, please, and make sure that you have some spaces in your busy week because it will be worth it. Really Simulating the Supply Chain is comprised of 5 blocks, okay? Block 1 is the DC, where we will visit inbound, storage, and outbound flows. Block 2 is yard, where we will see visuals of inbound transit, the interactions that occur within the yard, door allocation, and other stuff. In block 3, we will do order processing. We will look at different ways to pick, like pick to order, put to order, and batch picking. For block 4, the topic will be slotting. That yields the optimal location for references in the forward picking areas. For block 5, finally, we'll have scheduling. We will look at the DC from a tactical perspective by looking at the interaction between line scheduling, inventory levels, and transportation. So let's dive in. Subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment on what projects you are currently working on or anything that is causing you grief while simulating, and I will try to help you as soon as possible. Turn on your notifications to get reminders on every new video that we will be uploading. I will try to do a few per week. So this is Really Simulating the Supply Chain. Cheers.